The most important element of a large learning model is a data set. Essentially, you take a very large data set and then you train it on to get the predictions. So the way it works is you have to have a data set, you then break it down into very, very small chunks. Then these chunks are actually stored on a vectorized database. For those of you who do not know what a vectorized database, it's a large 3D playing field. So you take the data, you store the tokens. For example, a king and a queen token would be always closer to as if you compare it to a king and a cat. Then comes the role of transformers. Essentially what transformers does is it actually takes the context and queries it to the vector database. It goes after layer by layer by layer and then get you the most probable result. So it understands the context and delivers the result to you. That's the main use of a transformer. So if you combine all this, this is essentially a large learning model. And a lot of people are asking, if LLMs have come to that stage where it can learn and deliver on its own. I don't think so. And I don't see this happening in the most foreseeable future as well. Essentially what large learning models are doing is they're actually cross-pollinating between different multimodal things. So you have multiple images, you have multiple text, and you send a query and it uses the transformer layer to generate an output. But it's not an original output as such per se, right? I mean, it's just understanding and it's combining and it's giving you that result.